Hi guys, today we're going to be making banana bread. This is good from ages 11 and above. So these are our ingredients. So these are 3 ripe bananas, wheat flour, all-purpose flour, pecans, brown sugar, oil, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, salt, baking soda, baking powder, our measurements, and our sweet. Okay, now we're going to take one of our 3 ripe bananas and peel it. We're going to use a knife and make sure you have your parents' permission to cut. So first we're going to get it peeled through the middle. Okay. Okay, now you have to peel through the middle. Now you're going to be cutting it. Okay, now we gotta dump it in. Okay, after cutting in all the 3 ripe bananas in the bowl, we're going to take our sugar and put 3/4 cup of sugar in it. 1, 2, okay. After putting in the sugar and banana in the bowl, now we gotta smash and mix it. Now this is the mixing part. Okay, after making it into a smooth consistency, we're gonna take our 1/2 cup oil and pour it in. Next, we're going to take our sieve and put our wheat flour in there. 3/4 cup. Next, we're going to take our all-purpose flour and take 3/4 cup of this also. Go. Now we're going to take 3/4 cup of our all-purpose. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Now we're going to take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon powder. Okay, now we take our 1 tablespoon and put it in. Next, we take our baking powder and take 1 tablespoon. And after the baking powder will be cinnamon powder. Now we're going to take 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and put it into the bowl. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt, but put it in the sieve. Go. Now we're going to take our sieve and put it into the bowl. Make sure you get everything out of the sieve into the bowl. Now I'm going to use a spatula to mix it, and you make sure you don't use a mixer without moving it around because it will fly everywhere. After mixing with a spatula, now we're going to use the mixer. Now that I mixed it well, we're going to turn on our air fryer, or you could use an oven if preferred. You could go to the bake level, and now you could put at 325 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now we have our pan, and I already put the baking paper in the pan, so now we have to just pour in our batter. Now that I put the batter into the pan, we're going to tap it 8 to 10 times. Now they're going to shake it around a little and make sure it's even. Now, you could put pecan nuts. This is personally my favorite. But if you have allergies to it, do not put it in. And this is also optional if you want it. So I'm going to put some nuts in. I'm not allowed to touch the air fryer or oven, so I'm going to ask my mom to put in my beautiful banana bread. It smells so good. After taking it out from the air fryer, it looks pretty ready. But to see if it is ready or not, you can take a toothpick and stick it in. And then you take it out. If it's sticky or not, like this, it's not sticky right now. If it's not sticky, that means your banana bread is ready. But if it is sticky, that means you have to put it back in the air fryer or oven and let it heat for a little bit more. And after my banana bread is ready, but I have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes for it to cool down before I cut it and eat it. Okay, now that I flip the pan, you can see the baking paper. Let's remove it. That's good. Okay, let's flip it. Wow, look at that. Time to cut it. Wow, look at that. There you go. My delicious banana bread recipe is done. Mwah.